In this neutralization reaction, we have HNO3, an acid, plus KOH, a base, and that gives us KNO3, a salt, plus water. We have one hydrogen, plus we have this hydrogen here, so we actually have two hydrogens. Nitrogens, we have one of those. Oxygens, we have the three, plus we have one here. So 3 plus 1, that gives us 4 oxygen atoms, and we have one potassium atom. On the product side, hydrogen, 2 of those. Nitrogen, we have 1. Oxygen, we have 3, plus this one over here. So we have 4 oxygen atoms, and then we have the 1 potassium. Looking at these numbers here, everything's the same. That means we're obeying the law of conservation of mass, and this equation is balanced. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for HNO3 plus KOH yields KNO3 plus H2O, and thanks for watching.